Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be talking about Nio Stock. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be talking about Nio Stock, and before we do, guys, we're going to go ahead and analyze a 5-year chart here. So if you guys don't know what Nio is, basically an EV company that it's based out of China, right? It produces luxury EV cars. IPO'd September 12th of 2018 at $6, currently up 593%. All right, looking at the 1-year chart, guys, it is up 1,871%. Even the 3-month chart looking good at 198%. And it's leading a lot of people to ask kind of, like, where's Nio headed, right? Is Nio headed to $50? Is it headed to $100, $200, $300? There's a lot of speculation right now of where Nio's actually headed, but I can say a few things about Nio stock in itself. Nio for sure has basically broken the threshold of what people thought it was going to, right? A lot of people were like, oh, Nio's going to $35, Nio's going to $40, and it went ahead and broke all those marks. Nio continued to expand like crazy, based out of China, already expanding to Europe. Expecting $560 million in revenue already by Q3, which is absolutely humongous. Not only that, but continuously getting analyst upgrades. Got an analyst upgrade from Deutsche Bank up to $34. JP Morgan actually tripled its analyst upgrade on Nio to $40 from $14. It was absolutely huge for the stock, and Nio continues to grow more and more every single day. But it leads people to ask, is $41.60 for one share of Nio worth the investment? For me, obviously, guys, if you've been watching my videos, I've been making videos about Nio for a couple of months now, and I've been telling people to buy Nio ever since it was $14 a share. And obviously everything I say in my videos, guys, not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion, but it leads people to wonder, is Nio going to crash soon? Is Nio, I want to get in, but I think $41.60 is too expensive. I'm kind of waiting for a dip. I want Nio stock to crash before I actually buy into the stock itself. Is it going to happen? Well, you guys always have to understand, no one can really predict the future. No one knows if Nio stock is actually going to crash. The way it's looking right now, though, it's not another Nikola Motors. It's not workhorse stock, right? Nio's not waiting on any specific news, guys. Nio is continuously beating the expectations of what people are expecting. As you guys know, in August, it did beat its delivery estimates. Just this month as well, guys, in October, it also beat its delivery estimates. So it can go ahead and it shows, that Nio is expanding like crazy. It's growing like crazy, and people are starting to notice Nio. Even the other day, Nio currently sitting bigger than General Motors. General Motors, a company that's been around for a very, very long time, and now Nio is bigger than General Motors in itself. It goes to show that Nio is a huge growth story. I honestly would not wait to buy Nio stock. I think Nio stock is going to be growing in the next couple of months, and it's going to continue to rally. Yes, you're going to have red days like today. Nio did not do that well. That is with expectations, but I don't see another Hyliion / workhorse where Hyliion was trading at $50 a share and now it's trading at $20 a share, because Nio is producing the numbers. It's getting the analyst upgrades. It's got the bullish sentiment. People are backing Nio up, and it honestly goes to show, guys, that Nio is a huge growth stock and Nio is worth the investment. Now, people are going to ask, where's Nio headed, guys? Nio for sure will probably be $50 by the end of the year. I honestly don't even give that a second thought. But I think people want to know the bigger term perspective. When is Nio going to be hitting $100? When is Nio going to be hitting $150, $200? Well, you guys have to understand that Nio, in my opinion, will eventually hit $200 if it continues the rapid growth that it's expanding. Like I said, Nio is selling more cars. It's beating its delivery estimates. And you guys have to understand that this is in the midst of a pandemic that's sweeping the whole world, where a lot of stocks are not doing well. But you have Tesla, you have Nio that are just continuously growing and expanding like never before, and Nio making a quick name for itself. You guys have to understand that it took Tesla a very long time to get where it's at today, but with Nio, it actually saw success pretty quickly. A lot of people noticed Nio pretty early, and they started investing in Nio pretty early as well, and they noticed that, okay, I missed the Tesla train, went all the way up to $2,300 a share. Why not buy Nio stock? That's basically does the exact same thing. It's just based out of China. And a lot of people picked up Nio when it was $3, $4 a share. You guys also have to take in consideration as well, a lot of analysts are saying great things about Nio, about the brand, about the products they offer, the cars. They're very affordable to customers. The technology they offer in their car is very advanced. It's very up to date. And people even say that Nio is going to be an iconic brand one day, that Nio is going to be basically a huge representation of the EV company. Not only that, not only is Nio a great company, not only is Nio working hard to expand every single day, I am not going to take credit away from Nio and the company and the CEO and all the hard work they're doing to prove the name for itself. But you guys have to also understand The EV market is growing like crazy as well. The EV market is starting to mature, and there's more simple demand for EV cars. Like I said, guys, gas powered cars, they're running out of steam. People are kind of looking towards the EV market because they know that that's going to be the big kind of market in the next 5 to 10 years. You have a lot of EV startups, guys. You have Workhorse, Nikola, Nio. You have all these companies that are coming out. They're IPOing. They're trying to make a name for themselves in the EV company because they know there's a lot of money to be made in the EV company and the EV industry in itself. Take a look at the bigger perspective when it comes to Workhorse stock or Hyliion stock, right? They're kind of aiming towards battery powered trucks. That in itself, guys, is a huge industry. But Nio, like I said, guys, everyone loves luxury battery powered cars. That's what Nio is. It's basically the replication of Tesla. I love the business model. I love the vision of Nio. I love where it's headed. I love the growth, and I just love the overall stock. I think Nio stock is worth the investment, guys. Do not wait to buy Nio stock. Like I said, guys, I've been saying this since the stock was $14. And, soon enough, guys, Nio stock is going to be $50. Soon enough, it's going to be $100. And then people are going to be asking, okay, is Nio stock a buy at $100? Take this chance, guys. And like I said, you could buy it at $41.60. I know there's probably some people out there who bought it at $43 and are like, wow, like Neo's crashing on me. It's over. But you guys have to look at the long-term perspective when you invest in stocks, guys. Like I said, just my personal opinion, but when you invest in stocks, always look at the longer-term perspective. Where is the company going to be in the next 5 to 10 years, right? Where is the company going to be headed, right? Nio could be the next Tesla. Nio basically is the next Tesla, actually, but you know what I mean? Like, it could be $2,000 a share. Nobody knows, right? I know it's pretty out of reach, and people are like, oh, that would never happen, but people said the same about Tesla, right? People said that Tesla was going bankrupt. People said that Tesla was never going to make it. And then right before the split, Tesla was trading at $2,300 a share. It's a crazy growth story, and people are very, very bullish on Nio stock. Like I said, getting bullish endorsements. A lot of investors are behind it. Not only big-time investors, but retail investors. Everybody loves Nio stock. I don't even see really people argue that much about Nio on the bear side. I think a lot of people know that Nio's legit. I think a lot of people know that Nio is worth the investment, and it's going to continue to expand. Like I said, they're already working on self-driving chips. I know today they basically announced that they have an upgraded battery, which is absolutely amazing. And then on top of all that, guys, they have Nio Day coming up where they're going to be unveiling all sorts of cool stuff that's going to be coming in the future, right? What can we expect from Nio stock in the next 5 to 10 years or in the next 1 to 2 years, right? And this is going to be very important because Nio is going to be setting expectations, and Nio has to meet these expectations, guys. Nio has to be, and this is what it goes back to, guys, about keeping the brand clean, right? If Nio says something, it has to do it. It has to stick with it. And like I said, being able to produce a 100 kilowatt battery, it's absolutely insane. And it shows that technology has come a far way since Tesla founded in 2003. Nio is able to grow a lot faster. It's able to expand. It does not have to deal with the same struggles that Tesla did. So I can see Nio growing a lot faster than Tesla did. Now, I'm not saying Nio is going to be growing as big as Tesla, but I know that Nio is already growing faster than Tesla. Like I said, guys, Tesla didn't even get noticed till like 2014, 2015, where Tesla really kind of to start to make its debut. But people noticing Nio this early, picking up shares. Everyone's hyping up this stock, guys. Do not wait. Buy Nio stock, guys. $41.60. To me, even if the stock was $60, I still think it is worth the investment because I know that Nio stock is going to be doing amazing things. I know it has a bright future for itself, and I know it's not going to let any investors down. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of Nio stock. Do you think Nio stock is worth a buy at $41.60? How many shares do you guys own? What's your average? I'm always curious to know. Do you think Nio stock is going to crash soon? Let me know, guys. With that being said, thank you. Have a great day.